If you are aiming to create your first online store website using the Shopify platform but don't know how to get started, then you've come to the right video. Shopify is ranked as one of the most popular e-commerce solutions for effective online commerce. During its existence, the platform has undergone significant changes, evolving from a small project to one of the best online business solutions. This video will walk you through all the steps you need to take to create an online store website on Shopify from scratch. The first step is to register with Shopify. In the description of this video, you will find a special registration link that will allow you to extend your trial for 1 month. For just $1 a month. This will give you the option to use Shopify for a month. Use this link to save money. Enter your email and click on Start Free Trial. Choose one, I'm just starting. Select the desired items. Choose the item, products I buy or make myself. Choose the country where your business will be located. Next, we need to create a Shopify account. Select to sign up with email. Enter your email that you entered at the beginning of the video. Make up a strong password. Click on Create Shopify Account. Let's wait until the store is created. Now that our store is created, we are in the Shopify dashboard. Do not forget to confirm your email. Now, you need to choose a plan, so click on the button Select a Plan. Shopify has different pricing plans, and each one has its own benefits. For starters, a basic plan will be more than enough, and we see that we get it for $1 a month for the first month. Then select a billing cycle, then enter your business address. Then select the payment method, fill in all the necessary information and click on the Subscribe button. After that, the trial version will be activated, and you will get access to the necessary features for 1 month. Creating products. First, let's create a collection of products. So let's click on Products and go to Collections. The video will introduce the beauty niche for the store. This area is in high demand, and growing customer interest is creating unique opportunities for brands. If necessary, you can choose the right niche for your needs. Let's come up with names for the collection. In collection type, select Manual. In Manage Sales Channels, turn off Point of Sale. You can leave it switched on. Shopify POS is a point-of-sale app developed to help business owners sell their products in person and online. Shopify POS syncs directly with your Shopify online store, meaning your inventory, customers, sales, and payments are synchronized whether you sell online or in person. Let's create another collection. Let's come up with names for the collection of products. Leave the collection type to Manual. Click Save. Create the first simple product. So let's click on Products. Click on Add Product. To fill the products, in the description of this video there is a link to Google Drive where you will find the names, descriptions, price, options, and pictures of the products. Copy and paste the product descriptions. In the media, you upload pictures of products from Google Drive. The product category is automatically supplied. If necessary, you can select the category for the products. Choose the price for the product. If on your country or region provided tax, leave included charge tax on this product. Enable this item and fill in. If your product has a SKU and barcode. In Manage Sales Channels, turn off Point of Sale. You can leave it switched on. Let's come up with a product type. In Vendor, enter the name of the product vendor if available. Select the product collection based on the product type. Add a tag for the product. Click Save. So, the first product is created. Let's create a product with variants. A variant product is a product that has different variations, which allows you to offer a set of product variations, controlling prices, inventory, images, and more for each variation. For example, clothing has sizes and colors, which in turn can vary in price. Fill in the title of the product. Copy and paste product descriptions. In the media, upload pictures of products from Google Drive. The product category is automatically supplied. Great! Choose the initial price of the product. Supply the quantity of availability of the product. Add the weight of the product. Let's create several variants for product sizes. Each product variant has its own prices and quantity of availability. You can also add pictures to each product variant. Let's come up with a product type. In Vendor, enter the name of the product vendor if available. Select the product collection based on the product type. Add a tag for the product. Click Save. Variable product created. This is the way to create products. It's really simple. So now we can start designing our store. So let's click on Online Store and go to Themes. Once here, the first thing we're going to do is choose a theme for our store. As you can see, the current theme that is already installed is the Dawn theme, but if you want to change it, you can scroll down. And then you can click on Visit Theme Store. Here is a library of all sorts of themes that you can use and install in your store. You can browse these themes if you want, but keep in mind that many of these themes are actually paid themes, so you'll have to pay to install them in your store. You can filter them by clicking on the Free and Paid Themes filter here on the left-hand side. You can also filter by industry. If you're just starting out, it's a good idea to go for the free themes. You will see all the different free themes that you can use with the Shopify plan. Let's look at the possibility of the Sense theme. As you can see, some of the theme's features are shown in the image. The Features section lists the functionality of the theme. In the Reviews section, you can see the feedback provided by the users. In the Support and Documentation section, you can get support and read documentation on using the theme. Release Notes shows information about the theme versions. If you feel like checking them out, just click on View Demo Store. After that, you will be able to familiarize yourself with the store as a whole and see how all the pages look like. In case you find one that you liked, just click on the Try Theme button in the top right corner, and the theme will be installed in your store. This brings us back to the Shopify dashboard, where under Theme Library, we can see a list of all the themes we have. Now the new theme is installed. And to use it, you need to click Publish and then Publish again. Let's think of names for our store. To do this, we will use the Namelix service. Namelix Generator, created to create unique brand names and logos. Enter the store niche and click on Generate. Select brandable names. Put medium. Once again, click on Generate. Wait until the service comes up with names for our store. So, the service has come up with many different unique brand names. Find and select the appropriate names for our store. Select these names for our store. Create a logo for your store. For this we will use Canva service. Canva is a famous graphic design service that can be used to create stunning graphic elements regardless of professional skills. Create a design. Width and height come in 500 px. Click on Create New Design. As you can see, Canva is full of ready templates for logos. You can enter the niche of the store in the search and Canva will select a suitable logo for your niche. Choose a logo and slightly modify it to fit our logo style. Make up a name for the file and save. Download the logo file. Remove the background from our downloaded logo file. For this purpose, we will use Remove BG service. Remove BG service, which allows you to automatically remove the background from photos. Download the file and wait until the service performs the data removal procedure. Remove BG service removed the background from the picture. Download the logo. So, we have a unique brand name and logo. Now let's start customizing the store. So let's click on Customize. This will take us to the store editor. Let's start by adding our logo to the theme settings. In the logo section, we'll just upload our logo. In Crop and Transform, let's change the width and height of the logo to display well. Let's change the px width of the logo. Here you can download the website favicon. The uploaded favicon will be scaled down to 32 by 32. In colors, you can change the color scheme of the store. It is advisable to determine the color scheme of the store in advance. In typography, you can change the style of the store font. Example: select one of the fonts for headings. As you can see, the headings font has changed. Choose a font for body. Font body has changed. In layout, you can change the page positions. Let's leave it as it is. On animations, you can activate a fade-in animation that displays the store sections as you scroll, and also the hover effect on cards and buttons. In social media, you can put the URL of your social media. And lastly, in the section currency format, you can disable currency codes. Let's keep enabled show currency codes. The other sections are not considered. You can look and change it yourself. Go to Sections. Choosing a color scheme for the announcement bar. Change texts in announcement. In header, change the position of the logo to a suitable place. Desktop menu type can be changed. Example: to type drawer. There are a lot of settings in header, you can test them all if necessary. Let's change a little bit the sections of the home page. When you click on the desired section, on the left appears the section that you clicked, where you can change the section to your own. Select a picture for the section. If necessary, you can upload your own picture. Selecting free images for the section from Shopify. Enter niche in search and select the appropriate image for the section. Change image height to medium. Change desktop image width to medium. In the section you can change the color scheme of the background and container. On image behavior, you can insert animation. Let's change the heading text of the block section. On the buttons, you can select URLs where when the user clicks, they go to the selected URLs. Change the text from the heading section. The Featured Collection section has a lot of customization. You can test them all if necessary. Add section on the home page. The Sense theme has many suitable sections to make the pages attractive. Add section collection list. Selecting for section suitable collection. Pictures for the collection are pulled from the added products. If necessary, you can add your own pictures for the collection and the selected picture will appear in the section. You can add pictures for the collection in the Collections section, where all the collection is located. In the section, you can change the image ratio. The email sign-up section will serve for customers, where customers will be able to enter their email address and subscribe to your newsletter or marketing. When a customer signs up, a customer account is created in your Shopify admin. If you don't need email sign-up, just disable this option on the left. Now let's move on to the footer of the website, which is located at the very bottom. Here we can click on it. and then we'll see all the options on the left. The footer contains various options and settings. You can test them all if necessary. When you want to see what your store looks like on different devices, you can simply go to the top right corner and switch from desktop view to mobile, and then you can see what the page looks like on mobile. Make sure that your store can be viewed on a mobile device. Most people make their shopping from a mobile phone. Usually the Shopify platform and most themes do a great job of optimizing for mobile devices, so you don't need to do anything in this case. But sometimes you just want to change something because it doesn't look the way you wanted it to on mobile devices. Most of the sections and blocks from the theme contains customizations for the mobile layout. After every change you make to the desktop and mobile versions, don't forget to save. Switching to the product style. On template products, there are all the necessary functionalities for the products that see. In addition to customizing the product information section, you can also view and customize some theme options for product icons, and add your own custom CSS for a specific section. Let's add the inventory status block as an example. And drag it to the desired location. Save the changes. Switch to the collection product style. The collection pages are combined of certain products in the collection. By default, collections pages have a collection banner section and a product grid section in the theme editor. In addition to customizing the product grid sections, you can also view and customize some theme options for the product cards and add your own custom CSS for a specific section. Save the changes. Switch to the cart style. On the cart page of an online store, customers can view the products they have added to their cart. By default, the cart page in the theme editor has an items section and a subtotal section. Let's add featured collection section, for example. Select the appropriate featured collection of products for the section. Save the changes. The Pages section contains pages that are integrated with the theme. Let's choose the contact page as an example. On the contact page is usually located a contact form, in which the user sends all requests to the email address of the sender of your store. The other sections are not considered. You can take a look or change something yourself if you need to. Click on the Exit button in the top left corner. This way, we go to the Shopify dashboard after making changes to the theme. Pages that contain information that is rarely changed or frequently visited by customers, such as an About Us page or a Contact Us page. Let's create a page in which we will add a section from the theme. The title of the page will be About Us. Click Save. Go to Themes. So let's click on Customize. On the Pages section, create an example template for the About Us page. To connect the section from the theme of the template name, put About Us. Click on Create Template. Now we can add the sections we need on the page. Add the image with text section. Select free images for the section from Shopify. You can use your own images. Change the section a little bit. There are other settings in the section. You can test them all if necessary. You can change the heading text from the section block. Let's add one more section for the example. Add section video. In the video section, you can place the URL of a video from YouTube or Vimeo. Also in the video section, you can select your own video. Click Save. Click on the Exit button in the top left corner. Go back to Pages. Click on the About Us page. In Theme Template, set About Us so that the section from the theme is active. Click Save. Templates are a group of sections that are customized to give your online store a uniform design. The sections available in templates depend on the theme. Let's see the created page. This is how you can create a template page in which you can add sections from the theme. Let's create a menu for the store. Navigation menu helps user to browse your online store and find important pages. First, let's put the header menu in order. Remove pages that are not needed. Click Add Menu Item. Select for Header Collection of Products. Click Save. The footer menu will also be reordered. Delete menu items not needed. Select for footer pages. Click Save menu or Save. Now let's create another new menu for footer. Click Add Menu. Set the menu name to Footer Menu 2. Create, for example, Menu Items FAQ. Select also Menu Items Privacy Policy. Click Save Menu. Now let's link the menu to the website. So let's click on Online Store and go to Themes. So let's click on Customize. The menu is already bound in the header. You can change the menu if necessary. Let's add a menu to footer. To begin with, disable policy links in footer. Add a menu block. Footer menu. The menu is already linked. Add another block. Linking footer menu to. Click Save. Click on the Exit button in the top left corner. Our online store now has 3 menus that are displayed on every page: the main menu and the footer menu. Apps help you grow your store, integrate with third-party services, and extend the functionality of your Shopify dashboard. Click Go to the Shopify App Store. As a general rule, apps created by Shopify are free and supported by Shopify. Apps developed by third-party developers may be paid and supported by the third-party developer. You can use search to find the app you are interested in. Let's look at the possibility of one of the apps. The left shows the pricing, highlights, rating, and the developer of the app. Also, as you can see, some feature of the app is shown as a picture. There is a description of the application, supported languages, category, app functionality, user-supplied reviews, and support section. Install Shopify Search Discovery apps. Apps helps shoppers find the right products through filtering and convenient search. Add filter. Select the tags filter so that the user searches for products through the tags added to the products. Click Save. Add another filter. Select the size filter. Click Save. You can drag and drop filters to the desired location. Now the collection of products looks good with an additional filter. The other filters are not considered. You can see and add the filters you need yourself. Let's install another app. Let's choose Shopify Translate Adapt apps. Apps make it easy to translate language and adapt store content for any market. On the section selected Store Language, add a new language. Click on Manage. Add a language. Choose from the list the language you need for the store. For example, let's add Spanish language. Go to the Shopify Translate Adapt app. To translate all of these sections, click on Auto Translate. Now click on Translate. Wait for the app to automatically translate the content itself. The Shopify Translate Adapt app has translated the added language content. Moving on from one collection, let's see the translated language content. On selected collection, title selected Store Language, and the title translated by the application of the language we have added. Moving on from one products, on selected products, title selected Store Language, and the title translated by the application of the language we have added. There are also other fields. The other sections are not considered. You can take a look or change something yourself if you need to. Click on the Exit button in the top left corner. Publish the added languages on the website. Click on Manage. Click on the three dots next to the added languages. Click on Publish. When each time adds new content, don't forget to click on Auto Translate for added language. Otherwise, when you press the language switch, the new content will not be translated into the selected language. Now the added language is published on the website. Before opening a new store, we need to check a few more Shopify settings. In the My Store section, check to make sure everything is filled out. For example, the store name, store phone, and store email. We also want to make sure that all other billing information is filled out correctly. For example, legal business name, country or region, address, and other required fields. You can change the default currency that is displayed in your store to customers. Changing the currency of your store may have legal implications and other changes that you need to consider. When changing the currency, select the reason for changing the currency and click Save. Before changing the currency of your store, you should investigate all possible legal or tax implications associated with selling in a currency other than the currency tied to the country in which your store is located. Consult with a lawyer to ensure that there are no legal consequences of changing your store's currency. In Brand Assets, you can manage your brand assets to integrate your brand assets across sales channels, themes, and apps. The plan has information about your plans. On Billing, you can manage your payment information and payment method, as well as access invoices and fees. In Users and Permissions, you can control what users can see and do in your store. In payments, you can connect payment processors so customers can place an order. Shopify Payments is the easiest option for accepting payments in your online store. There's no need to set up a third-party payment provider or merchant account, and no need to enter Shopify credentials. With Shopify Payments, you'll automatically set up to accept all major payment methods instantly after creating your Shopify store. The only thing is, Shopify Payments is only available for stores operating in certain countries and regions. Shopify supports a variety of payment methods. As an example, let's add one of the payment methods. Choosing a provider, to check out Convert Plus by Verifone. The small description has provider information. Click on Install. The application requests access to view personal data and to view and edit store data. If necessary, you can check their privacy policy. Click on Install. Then create an account. If you don't already have one, fill in the required integration details and activate in Shopify Provider to check out Convert Plus by Verifone. You can also add manual payment methods on Shopify. Example: create custom payment method. Bank deposit, money order, and cash on delivery (COD). The payment system should be connected when the store has content, policy, design, customized, connected domain, and paid for the tariff plan in Shopify. On checkout, you can view and change checkout settings. Customer contact method, phone number or email. To send SMS updates, the app must be installed. Show a link where customers can track their order in the Shop app. Select a listed option for customers. Enable marketing features, which allows customers to subscribe to a newsletter by email or SMS message. Add additional scripts to order status. Customer accounts allow your customers to log in to view their orders, profile information, and saved addresses. Customers can find customer accounts on the website in the form of an icon. There are two versions of customer accounts, Classic and New. Both the Classic and New accounts are available to you and can be used by your customers. You can choose which version of customer accounts to use in your online store. Let's move on to shipping and delivery of the product. This is where you can customize shipping rates for products to customers, so Shopify has a lot of options. Create a new profile. Profile names will insert the country or region where the product is sold. Select products for the profile. Products you can select displayed items under a few or all of the then. In the place of order fulfillment location, select the address of the store. Add a shipping zone for the profile. The zone name will insert the country or region where the product is sold. Select a country or region for the profile. Click Done. Add rate. Here, we can customize different shipping rates depending on the regions our products are shipped to. In addition, we can add a dynamic shipping rate depending on the weight or price of the product. Click Save. You can include expected delivery dates in this section. Local delivery can be configured. Package types can be added. As you can see in Shopify, there are many options for shipping and delivery of products. In taxes and duties, you can include charging tax on products right from here. You can also customize the taxes to be charged depending on where you deliver the product, and depending on where you are selling from. Moving on to domains, where you can set up your own domain. A domain is a URL or web address where your customers can access your online store. By default, your online store gets the URL myshopify.com when you register with Shopify. You can change the URL from Shopify. Here you can see the target and type of domain. If you don't have a domain yet, you can click on Buy New Domain. If you already have your own domain, you can click on Connect Existing Domain and follow the instructions. The easiest way is to buy a domain here. Enter the name of the brand or store you want to get. If it is available, you can buy it. As you can see, .com for our store is already taken. We can go for .store, .shop or something like that. In each domain names are listed the cost. Will not forget to add payment methods to buy the domain if you have not added payment methods. You can click on Open Billing Settings. You can also go to Billing to add payment methods. After selecting a domain, fill in the required fields in contact information. Click on Buy Domain and go through the checkout process, after which the domain will be automatically connected to your store. The store comes with email templates that you can customize with your logo and branded accent color. As you can see, here contains many different customer notifications. Let's go to one of them for an example. Shows what kind of emails are sent to customers. Also shown is the view of SMS notifications. You can edit code, templates as you wish. By making changes to the template codes, you can view the changes in the Shopify admin or email them to see how they will appear to your customers. Policies are policies such as return and refund policy, privacy policy, terms of service, etc. Shopify makes it very easy to customize them. However, each country's policies may differ. It is recommended that you consult with a lawyer to make sure everything is in order. Create policies for return and refund policy based on Shopify template. Before you save them, be sure to review your policies and customize them to fit your store. Also create policies for the terms of service provisioning based on the Shopify template. Before you save them, be sure to review your policies and customize them to fit your store. Don't forget to add your shipping policies. And contact information. Be sure to remember to add these policies to the bottom menu of your store. In returns rules, you can simplify return management, return shipping, customize your return fees, and defining final products for sale. We've covered the most important settings, so let's close the settings here. Now that the store is ready, you can publish it. Currently, our store has not been published yet, so no one can access it except us. In the online store section of preferences, you can disable the password to keep your Shopify store open to our customers. Our online store is password protected, and we can remove the password if a Shopify plan is paid for. Now you have a ready-made store, and open to anyone who wants it. You may have your own unique branded domain. The page is filled with modern design and intuitive interface, which is pleasing to the eye and easy to navigate. Customers can immediately find the products they are interested in with an elaborate filter system and a perfectly organized catalog. The header provides useful functionalities of language switcher, search, account, and shopping cart. The order is formed quickly and conveniently, and the notification system informs customers about every stage of processing. It is enough just to add the product to the cart, choose a payment method, and wait for the delivery of the product. In this video, you learned how to create a store on Shopify platform. Thank you very much for watching.